Right now, moving to another interview, get the one and only. I believe say that song, you supposed to reminisce with that song because that song don't reach like 5 years, no.
Don't pass.
Don't pass 5 years now. That's 2016 or 17.
2017, yes.
Now 2017, yes, 2017. That was after. That was a year after you win the.
No, not the year, but that's.
And the same year. Was it not 2016?
No, 2017.
2017.
Yeah.
Oh, 2017. Okay. That means nothing before he drops single.
You know, as I come out, I drop now.
Because you verse actually. So we got pay money for the building right now. Just chilling with us. It's been over 5 years since winning the Big Brother Naija Housemate show, and for that 5 years, he don't give us song musically back to back. And one of those songs we also Sweet Me for Body, and the one with J1 that was last year, right?
Yeah, Turn Up.
Yes. That was a record, bro.
Yes, sir. Very solid record.
So first of all, we move to you, more clean that one. How you and that J1 collabo take come about?
So like 2021, we've been jammed for Dallas. That's for US.
Okay.
We just talk because J1 a very correct guy.
Yeah, cool guy too.
So I said, Ababa, we close, we style, but we never ever make jam, you know. So like, okay, when we come back Nigeria, we'll do something. So as I fall in, I go in this studio with my producer, then we just make jam. Because Baba, this studio, you don't come back.
So he still did outside. You they call him for phone.
This time he don't come already. I got outside this studio, they walk. This was before he
moved fully.
Yeah. So we just the studio, they vibe. Now he can't come through, play that beat, he just vibe him. So normally you even supposed to be say okay, now my song then. But when he hear the vibe and no, he can say no boy, he go release him.
He go release him.
That's it. So
nice.
that's how we take do him. Then he can't move. We make on the focus on it. Everybody just doing thing. Now later he can say Momo drop this song, you know. And that I done day Yankee already. So for the video I say the best thing for me to just go meet
that side.
We shoot the video and.
So now because of the video you actually travel go US.
Oh yeah, that was because of the video. Yes.
I just feel say maybe we just feel the need to you go enjoy day on small vacation.
No, we never they do vacation yet. Every travel na hustle. Hold on, you talk billions. No. I never go for vacation.
Mm-mm. But after the block when you collect for Big Brother and the whole after the block, at least you supposed to afford to go vacation.
No, that block you don't finish my foundation self.
You never finish foundation.
You don't build the foundation.
So you got more money.
Yeah. So I so now the hustle I still there. We never do vacation yet. Any travel where you see me, not in a hustle.
Na hustle you do.
And those our hustle they look like saying a flex.
Yes.
Or flex the day inside. So but I never wake up say they travel for vacation. You know that thing me you go off your phone.
Yeah.
You zone out. No. Every move.
Na hustle.
Yes.
The bag must complete.
Exactly.
Anyway, once again, welcome Effie Money. So every day here because of the newly released body of work.
Yes,
Une Bounce.
Yes.
An EP, 4-track EP.
A 5-track EP.
5-track EP.
4 new tracks plus Money Talk.
They come on Money Talk normally.
Yeah.
So, first, it be like say you sit down, say, okay, which type of sound I gotta give my people when you go differentiate me from every other person. You get
yes.
And if like you sit down for last year's one,
yes,
we will see Money Talk come outside.
Yes,
how long it take you to arrive at identifying or finding your sound?
This sound, okay. No, what happen? I say the conversation then they always say they like robo music too sweet.
Yeah,
they're very rich, but they mainstream. It just if you only way you go village or you enter inside Warrior, enter inside Ugeli or Rockbe or any of the town. Braka, now you go to hear our sound. And usually for traditional wedding, they see like even for white wedding, they play other tribes. I'm like, nah, this is not working. So I can't talk to one other producer, we be Robo guy.
Yeah.
So without the gist, say we suppose Fuse create one Robo stuff. I don't even do one song with Victor Thompson. That guy was sing this. For my former EPM against all EP. So I say me sing for Robo for me, then I rap. Yeah. But after I just use normal beats.
Yes.
So but this I said no, let's make it local. But so we just I forget that they try think of the next EP I'll drop, which was before Stubborn Boy.
Yeah.
Now he just send me this beat. As I hear the beat, I say this is it. I can say the best thing na to look for traditional Robo singer, way young. So you go fit sing, we go appeal to both the old and the young. Yes. So that's how we arrived at Money Talk. I come feature King in Akpodia. Like one of the top Robo music singers for Delta State. Yes, so and everything just comes to place. As I hear the beats, immediately I write my verse, Then I send them say, see how I want me you list this chorus.
Yeah.
Yes. So in do am, can't come Lagos. We can't record together. We can't record in chorus. I can't do my second verse and
straight
the rest
up
is history. Yes.
So be sincere. Money talk, and compared to every other song, when you don't release, what will be the difference when you notice?
The difference I noticed now say this one they appeal they go to the roots. They appeal to like my people directly.
But even what I notice, I know they understand Urobo in as much as I get friends.
Yeah.
But even me, they dance to rap.
Now the goal of Money Talk now say make you hear Urobo song as
introduce
a normal
my language to you.
Yeah, exactly. Me, you know the hear like say na strange sound. Just the way you go hear twe. Most of the things we kids they sing there in Yoruba, right? But you know they remember saying Yoruba. You just
the enjoyment.
Exactly. Now the idea where I want push with this Urobo sound. When you hear Money Talk, you know nothing the person they talk, but you like the rhythm, you like the flow exactly. So now the whole idea.
And I think the success of that particular single now make you say, okay, may I give people.
Oh yes, so yes, so that actually now the main thing. I know we plan EP. I just want to do that sound, like just they continue because I mean they work on my album.
Okay.
But as I do the sound, and I dropped the song when I did US. Before you know, the thing inspire this.
When they go there, the kickboxing.
The boxer, the silver heavyweight boxing champion.
Because I see a video where you introduce and enter one of the biggest match.
Yes. So
with that a capacity of was it 12,000?
About 12 to 20,000. I don't know if you remember now.
Yeah.
But they show them around the world about 52 countries. ESPN show them live and all that.
So now this song connect to Nabi, una don't guess.
No, now this song connect. Actually, I've been fan before because the first time I experienced and I went. Person enter ring to fight, the person run leave am for me.
For real?
Yes, so but you never see that. Go check out. If you are Jagba, now wetin make am first popular. I see. Oh, but this is my namesake. And see wetin the guy enter ring.
Yeah.
He comot. They know you know agree fight. You know nothing. They just announce them. The guy just enter the ring. He just fall out.
As you observe the guy.
Because na knockout if they give people. If you're Jagba, na knockout. Yes. Na knockout. So the guy move.
So now this music make them reach.
So I mean. Don't DM am then say man I like what you do and all that. So as this song come out one of person for him people say man if he needs to bring you out. So he himself as he hear the song because then he never even hear the song and I call his name inside the song added so.
Oh for
yes. Okay. Knockouts like a Jagba.
Okay. Oh yeah. I remember the line.
If you're Jagba.
So everything just they fall in line.
Everything just they fall in line.
Go with the song.
So as I did US, he can't get fight for the same US. I can't go open for him, and the rest is history. Yes,
and I feel the opening when you do for her kind of like expose the song to a larger audience.
To a very large audience.
I see the Shazam skyrocket.
Yes, so
it was crazy.
So it was crazy, man. It
was crazy. Okay, so right now, so if we talk say if now, what do you go call this sound?
The name of the sound now Une Bounce.
The name of the EP.
Yes.
So that's you introducing a new sound to us right now.
Now new sound introduced to now, and I'm proud, I'm elated, I'm honored to say that maybe they bring this new sound called Une. So Une like song for Urobo. Like so if you want Une in a song. So like so I say Une that's Urobo traditional music with bounce. So if you merge with any other thing. So if anybody come tomorrow, maybe you carry reggae merge with the Urobo sound. Reggae. So no, now be the Une bounce. The bounce they encompass every other sound. Yes. Whether na Afrobeat you join or hip hop or now Une bounce you they do.
So if you talk say you be the leader of the bounce movement.
Yes, of bounce.
Nice. Yes. So for people to even understand what we talk about right now, I want to give you a feel of monitor because I'm not gonna like give you now you got the time I send you the I never listen to them. I'll go listen right now.
You need to listen.
It shame me say I never my guy drop EP. And that was like
On Friday.
That's almost a week ago.
Yeah.
Because I see the post I share. So be teasing at this Friday in one drop.
No, you don't drop.
I share that because
yes, I appreciate. No, you don't drop.
For real. So go check out the bands right now. 5-track EP. And I notice say only you day on top of the songs.
No.
Not the Money Talk.
The Money Talk. I feature King in Apodia. I get one Derek Popo. I feature Utacha. Now the imagine Urobo rapper. He rap strictly mostly for Urobo. And he bad for Delta State, the whole ground there. So I was like, okay, make I introduce them also to the world, make people.
Okay, and they say Solo Kings. So
yes, Solo Kings. You know Solo Kings.
I don't.
A legendary gospel Robo singer. Again, they do what they call ABO music. Those people they merge Robo and Isoko inside one song. You know all those, and those
all they shake with they dance with
exactly. Yeah. That's on our Kobiro na gospel song. He loud though. I promise you this EP and a fire. So I made it that one now. My wife. That's the meaning. Now better wedding song, better song for Valentine, better song if you play for your baby. Just play the song for the girl. She don't agree.
You don't agree finish.
But you don't marry. Just play it for your wife.
May regret.
Maybe she regret. Maybe this Sarah she go knock you quadruplets.
No, not agree. Especially you want sponsor their school fees, bro. So for the spending, you do it alone too.
Yeah, spending I do it alone. I actually merged the Amapiano. So IMA and spending.
Yeah.
Now fusion of Amapiano and
Une
bounce, yes. Okay. The fusion of Amapiano and Une. That's Robo music, yes. I merged it too. So that's spending. Trust me, if you hear man,
you go spend.
Don't play that song if you dey club.
Because you go empty your account.
You go empty your account. Now you don't dey throw away money.
So you dey set up people.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So right now, who will be the producers you work on top this body of work right now?
Okay, so just two producers. And the one will be person who produce Money Talk. His name na J Ora. I tell you now, Robo Boy from Ugeli. Yes. Yeah. Now he produced 4. Then IML was produced by Skita. Now Skita produced Stubborn Boy EP, the whole Stubborn Boy EP.
Okay.
So I do camp because I want to make sure this EP come out before. So I do 3 days camp. So Jay be no day around as a producer, but he didn't do the beats. He send them to me. But now Skita come this. So Skita no be Robo Boy. I just say okay. Skita, cause Skita, well you feel trying now. We feel not one with you now. So. Now you run that and he enter flat.
So the interesting thing I think I like right now before we go, play. I want people you get a feel of Money Talk. People don't say that they're familiar with already.
Yeah.
What I know now the first say you they try to introduce sound. You had to go to the source.
Oh yes.
Go back to Wafi. Go meet the people when we say that they do well for their own side to tag them along.
Yes.
Because now as you make mention of Otasha, I don't get interest to go check out the guy.
The guy good though. They rap pieces. For Robo.
And he do justice to this particular.
You know the funny about why you gonna say Sab? You know say just the way you go hear Sakodi. If you know the hear it is Sakodi.
Boy, you dey bounce.
Thank you. Now just the way you go feel the Otacha boy.
Man, now need to go check out this EP right now. They are available on top all streaming platforms.
Yes, so everywhere.
Your mark.
Boom, everywhere. YouTube, Spotify, everywhere.
So
even pirates.
Does it do their own share?
Yes, sir.
So right now, a video to any of these new songs.
Yeah. Money Talk, get video.
What about the new? Any plan to do a video to anyone?
Yeah, we work on that. We actually have. We don't shoot some of the videos.
Of the video.
Yes.
Okay.
The next year will come on a IMF video.
I mean that's not only you.
That's not only me. Yes. That song too sweet.
Okay. So when will you expect that video?
That video, hopefully, I know they waste time. As soon as because the director once he ready, I will put them out.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Hopefully, like next week, Tuesday.
It's supposed to be out.
Yes.
Who will be the director when you shoot the video?
Son of the Lens, now new boy.
Okay.
Finish work, yeah.
Okay. So quickly, more go back a little bit because most time when you come outside from reality TV show. Especially reality TV show as a musical artist, I know say you sell yourself musically for inside the Big Brother Naija. I think you'll be one of the artists when go that show to project your music doings.
Yes.
And you at every given point you they let them and they rap now music they do even from there we already they familiar with Dr. Alpha Dr. says
in there right
like he is when I see they in good.
Yeah, we there right.
Okay. So but somehow una they always find out. I don't know say at a point you feel now why I ask this question now. When I did I will be like why you they do music now Big Brother will say no don't do this you get me you see they feed that pressure from Nigeria they say
no they don't tire
5 years is a long time though
they don't tire I don't talk and say we go see who go tire if you stubborn boy you go tire but I don't blame them you know say the platform where you come up from it like reality TV now industry on your own. Separate from music, you know, it's in a lifestyle. So those way they into lifestyle movies, they favor them easier than we with music. Because reality TV, they permit you to be music superstar. The idea now say
drama, keep us giving us drama.
Drama, you know, artists you could also mind your business. You know, you don't even need to communicate with fans, but reality TV, you go to tell them how your girlfriend break your heart, how you do giveaway.
So they expect all those ones you continue.
So if you want to say you want to switch on for them, they not go appeal to you. So they go throw all the fears with the day towards the way they go. Like music, they'll say your money will finish, you know, go blow. They'll put all those fears for you. So now you go look and say, fear, I'll come go follow within the one. Or you go know who you be. You understand? Lucky for me, I don't know who I be before I go into the house because I big for just. I know be small artist for just standard. And so, but we thank God now they don't come to terms. They don't. They don't
tire.
They don't. They say, no, if they kill them, I know you to come here. To come. I always know.
Now just time.
Yeah. So just for anybody to listen, if they plan your life, just they give yourself 5 years plan so that you give you space to fall and rise in between. But trust me, 5 to 7 years, whatever you they achieve,
you go clear. As far as they consistent and you continue to put that effort when you say it
normal.
But also some people also deal of the opinion. I don't know now. Why I want to ask you. Say you know the raw body for the industry, music industry. Say you always deal on your own. Say why it be like that? They always see you outside.
No. Wait because I'm not say a lot of disrespect and see finish come out because they think say I dey do music because I win Big Brother. So if you like
so
say
they don't understand say you were doing music before
so
the
it
Big
be
Brother.
like say they take me. They know they take me seriously. They feel say I won't take the music play, but they know say na my life. So when you go try link for studio, you go to see the vibe like this one no sabi, this one no serious. You know
any particular case, John, the reason why I say this person disrespect
yes,
my
when they reached out say make we like collab and they see the vibe. I'm like I dey always do this thing on my own. I'll do it on my own. And music no need you to enter anybody's house. Music no need. So I don't need to meet you for you to feel my music. You understand? We don't need to do community. No mean to do one house.
I dey like this specific because me don't hear rumors for the street say some certain individual genres why you say more na your deal now. So be the few individuals when you try to collaborate with and they give you this.
No, I know if you talk now because be like saying a beef. I don't know the state of mind where they dey. But the truth why I talk I say I just realize say it's better for me. I just do my thing. If you go organically become fellow artist friend, you don't need to stress them because if you dey stress them, they come with disrespect and all that. Yes. So I just don't day my day. They push my music. You understand? That's what I've been doing, and they make me not get any pressure, no stress because collab will come with
why
pressure.
You know they come outside too because
come outside. That one I just me. I not really.
Be outside.
If I come outside for you, I they come out. You be my guy.
No, you come outside for me for my last event.
I know they fake come outside because sometimes people they come outside because it help their relevance. Me I don't send relevance.
Okay.
My music will do the rest for me, and that's my belief. So if I come out for you, trust me, you be my guy.
But right now, which I believe say you don't prove yourself over the years to say, I know they do this make to play.
Yes,
and they do as a profession. Who you go say you don't align with you when we say among your peers as artists, get close relationship with?
Oh, people like Ice Prince. I always give shout out to them
because they will do something together now.
Yes, so campaign. Yes, that time we will do that song.
It
be for the industry. It be like say, if I do song with a go stain my name, so everybody they avoid me. Only Ice Prince like yo.
Let's do it.
You understand? So shout out to Ill Bliss as well. Now he inspire me. Now he with follow talk.
Ill Bliss na correct guy.
Correct man. So now even made me drop Stubborn Boy EP. I was like, if you give us a hip hop, if it's strictly hip hop, maybe people know say you be very dope rapper because he knows. But he say people don't know. I say okay, man, drop the EP.
Now Ill Bliss tell you this one.
Yes. He still also say if you need to connect with your people, you need to go back home and. He just be like say I don't think so as he talk so that make I just run money talk.
So you see now why they always deal with important say we get OG when it gets sense and I think if this are one of those when it gets sense.
Yes, so
nobody go know say they do all these things now.
Nobody know. Yes, so no. Ublis they try like man. Big up to Ublis because him they see through the struggle while they grow and he say me I they keep pushing so and that's why and you know the funny part he honor me he come my house so that not kind of how you gonna say okay you don't need to force this relationship this not person will deal with you and it's beautiful when you get those and then you go know you go cleanse everybody now your friend with none. So you see these two names what I mentioned Ublis Ice Prince. Don't worry any day anytime now my people they no get it they'll call me for where I no go pull up. Even if not the 9 minutes, even if I know the town,
you must
understand. Yes,
because anybody went pull up for you, go pull up.
Of course, now I say it now. So, but much love to the industry. I know say soon enough I'll work with as much as people as they come.
But at your level, now in as much as you try, introduce your sound, give us. We should be the leader of. Who you go say maybe probably in the past, like you get interest to really to one work with, you get. Without stress when you come genuinely.
Man, every dope Nigerian artist I go like work with them. But it gets some songs like you get one song where I want make Faith jump on. I been speak to her manager I don't too busy. I never follow up with the guy, but I know still I need to stress. I don't send them the song, so if they like them, we'll go up. If not, no problem.
That's Favour that beautiful singer.
Oh, very man, this song na duet. If she run her, man, it go bust. Yes, that I guarantee. Shout out to you, Fav, if you're listening, or if your fans are listening, tell them.
So apart from Fav, which other person?
I know honestly, I know they make music. They think of who I'll put on top. Yes, but I have some collabos. I don't want to mention the name already. Go there my album. So
when this album they come, you don't make mention of this
September. This year. Yes. September.
So from now to September, would they enjoy this?
Enjoy when they bounce at the tour. I'm starting my tour in South Africa. February 27th, I go to South Africa.
This one,
yes, next week, yeah. They enter South Africa.
Tell me say they move.
Yes. Then when I come back from South Africa, I go my Europe tour, starting from end of March. So once I enter back from South Africa, maybe 2-3 days, I don't enter Europe again. But pushing the ministry.
I mean, if you come back from this tour now to tear match from Banana Island, I ask you now they collect. If now you go on tour, any small bar they pay.
So me, I very realistic. So this tour now, no be like I wouldn't say I get like one of the biggest song in industry. So now mixed off promo and still making money to introduce yourself. So you don't feel sit down for one place made it happen. You have to move, and so. But at the same time, I know say I get fans there with the wait. So when I enter, everything go well.
You go bust.
Yes.
You go bust. You go bust.
So like those where they Cape Town, if they watch, they come some two. Hey God, we just conclude for some the two places for Cape Town. Yeah, where I go. Yes. Okay. I don't know if you mention your name, but just know say Cape Town. Watch out for the dates. I go post them very soon.
Very soon for your page.
And Joburg, we're rounding up, and dates could fall out.
Follow too. Yes, okay, you don't hear around South Africa tour, then a Europe tour by March too.
Yes, so by April.
Okay, by April.
April, yes.
So don't be like, not really day for my show. You go pay me for body.
No,
supposed to give us on Taigo. Big money talk, man.
Yes, sir.
Anyway, on the serious note, I really appreciate that you stopped by today, and congrats on your newly released body of work.
Yes, thank you so much. On the bounce, yeah.
I not gonna give you the fascinating thing when they street me for the body. Now the first say you dey introduce new sound to us.
Oh yes.
And I know say people. So one thing about music, I say they introduce you to culture, and if you can do that by introducing new sound, cultural sound, like what you they do right now. Shoot. So we also get to see this Unebans for your album.
No, okay. So for the album now, just throw small of Unebans inside. Okay. But it go maybe normal hip hop, then just hip hop and some Unebans. Yeah. I know this isn't too many commercial. The album go tick well.
Okay. Yes, talking about award right now, what is your take generally on top award?
Normally I know like I know I live my life based on my own strength. So anything we don't carry and put for other people and I know send
to decide for you.
To decide for me, I know send because it go come mess with my own confidence. So my point be say even when I did University of Jos, where I be the top. Arguably one of the two biggest artists, but the other
University of Jos
for Jos, not just, but that time we did school, we were big for town, but we still be students.
Yeah.
When we used to give award, they call the time we say, "Ma pay." I said, "I no fit pay for award."
Hold on. May I add like I don't know what they really go. So they won't give you award.
Yeah.
They cause me pay money. Hold on, to tell you they pay money to do the flag.
I don't know. You know, say everything are packaged. You know, say they can't give you award. You can't make you look like say. But I know say I say I don't need that. The streets don't already know say I be one of the best artists. So why I want
you don't need those validations.
I don't need those validations. So that's why they say award. If you come, we thank God. If you not come,
you are alright.
We're alright, exactly. But you pay me, I know submit because I know to send. I know submit Stubborn Boy EP for last Headies Award because you know get any hip hop project. For the last award, we reached my Stubborn Boy EP. Yeah, so
talk that thing. Talk a minute.
You know any hip hop project we come out last year.
When it reached your Stubborn
Boy EP.
So that means I wish you submit Stubborn Boy for the hip hop project of the year.
Yes, straight up.
You get mine though.
Straight up.
You get you know where did that hip hop to now?
Yes, now you want my mention the way drop. I know now. Black Bones drop now. AQ drop. This guy drop. The West African go. What's his name?
Casper.
No. This guy in the try where too. Hey God, I don't forget. But he dropped too. Hip hop projects come on. I tell you, go check out. Take your time, go listen to all of them.
Okay. So, but this year, this you go submit your which one? You
want this one I'll submit on a bounce on the indigenous card. One or two. You suppose if at all monitor, yes.
Monitor,
yes, it's supposed.
Okay. He don't collect already. But the guy don't conclude.
Oh yes, actually, he win Urobo Song of the Year.
Oh, for real?
Yes.
Money talk.
December. Yes.
Wow, nice. Congrats. That means you know they pay off already. You see the interesting thing by introducing new sound and owning to your sound. And I think few guys don't really do that. I think Casey do well for Japiano.
Yes. Shout out to
Casey and Kola Boy.
You know, forget
I think Kola Boy started.
Actually, Kola Boy started. We did on tour with Stubborn Boy EP when I been play Kola Boy jam. I mean, say this is something new.
Yes. I think I just say majority of all the mainstream not know say this is Japiano sound start from Kola Boy.
This is bigger than Kola, sir.
Kola Piano, yeah.
Personalize me.
Yeah, okay, I think you over personalize and I make it day out. Like Casey now came with Oja Piano, which
actually represents.
Yeah.
But shout out to both of them because at the end of the day they amplify their culture.
Mad. Is a heavy. Anytime I watch Casey they perform, it's crazy.
It's crazy.
Even Kola, I think he performed for one of these beer festival. It was crazy too.
Kola they try, has been trying.
So hopefully we'll get to see you. They perform. Any concert good day for us this year?
Yes. Okay, might just put them out there. Maybe one good day for Delta State.
Oh,
yes,
that would be nice.
Yes.
You
December,
have to go back. Yeah.
By God's grace. Then mid maybe June. I won't do special one for Lagos here, but I don't want crowd. Just FA and 200 fans. Yes, I know. Yes,
specific FA and 200 fans.
Yes, I want give una very intimate performance. Wanna enjoy my catalog the way I done the release them since.
I don't carry both me follow body.
No.
Okay. Anyway, thank you for stopping by. So go check out on the bands right now by Money.
Yes,
it is available on top of streaming.
All streaming platforms.
Yes. You don't put for collabo. What? I put like collabo people.
Oh yes, man. I beg. I know they play with collabo. If you send me jam today, next tomorrow I don't send you back.
You don't record that. Not the waste time.
Not the waste time.
Okay, but digits they follow small now. Like digits now.
It depends on who and how. There's some songs they look forceful. Like say I don't really vibe am.
Okay.
You see where you go follow am, or if I feel am.
Based on motivation.
So something have to motivate either the song or
the. Anyway, what your last word for those who they listen to you right now?
I just want to say thank you guys for all the supports. And if you listen to me for the first time, it's in my fault. They call me FA. I just put out a new project called When They Bounce. God bless you to those who know me. If we don't support me from day one to where I did right now, I appreciate you guys. Go listen to When They Bounce. You go enjoy every song. You don't need to be Robo to love this song, this project. It is fire. I can guarantee you that. There's a wedding song for you. There's a gospel song for you. There's a hip hop song for you, and there's a club song for you. There's a spending song. Any feeling where you get.
The song did there.
Yes,
he did. Yeah. Okay, thank you very much. So we'll see sign up one more time with Money Talk.
Yes, sir.
Now Money they talk. Money talk. Everybody go man.